How to switch TikTok account from public to private. Hey everyone, it's time for another quick TikTok tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to make your TikTok account private in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, take a moment to do that now. Once you're on the main screen, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the app. Go ahead and give those lines a tap to open up the menu. Now, scroll down the menu until you see the Settings and Privacy option. It should be pretty easy to spot. When you've found it, give it a click. You'll now be taken to the Settings and Privacy page. Here, you'll see a bunch of different options to customize your TikTok experience. But for now, we're interested in the Privacy section. Look for the word Privacy and give it a tap. Alright, now we're on the Privacy menu. This is where the magic happens. To make your TikTok account private, all you need to do is find the Private Account option. It should be the first one on the list. Next to Private Account, you'll see a toggle button. To turn on the Private Account setting, simply click on that toggle button. Once it turns green, you'll know that your account is now set to private. And there you have it, your TikTok account is now private, which means only your approved followers will be able to see your videos and interact with your content. It's a great way to maintain control over your audience and keep your TikTok experience more personal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow guides on all things TikTok and social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.